Hello everyone, Sanbonani, Dumela.
So guys, there's a video of the health MEC from Limpopo where she was addressing a patient from Zimbabwe who happens to be illegal. Dr. Phophi was actually telling a patient that she needs to pay for her services because she doesn't have a budget for her. Mnangagwa needs to take care of his people. She's not running a charity case. South Africans' patients can't get help anymore because it's flooded by other foreign nationals. That video went viral and angered Mbuyseni Ndlozi, a member of EFF and Redo Tlabi, the journalist. They couldn't wait to tweet their frustrations. They want the health MEC from Limpopo gone. Poor Dr. Phophi, they want you gone for doing your duties. Mbuyseni Ndlozi tweeted a series of tweets dragging the minister. He tweeted, "This is an outright violation of human rights. She thinks she is making some brilliant points with an ill-informed, pompous attitude which agonize sick persons in hospital beds. Where is your basic humanity and compassion? What a pathetic person. This whole MEC is Afrophobe princess." Another tweet said, "No one, not even migrant workers or so-called African illegal migrants, deserve humiliation in our hospitals. The MEC of Limpopo has violated basic ethics of patient treatment, confidentiality, and dignity. She must be removed as MEC, her license revoked as medical doctor." Another one said, "The MEC is humiliating a Zimbabwean. Next, it will be unemployed South Africans told they can't be operated because they don't contribute anything to taxes that budgets are based on. But why humiliate a patient like that? Where are medical ethics, confidentiality, and dignity?" People went mad on Twitter and said they won't vote for EFF come 2024 because Dr. Phophi is spitting nothing but facts. Even health department is failing to take care of South African citizens. Redo Tlabi also shared series of tweets. People attacked her because she's speaking in a point of being privileged and has a medical aid. She then replied on a doctor that was addressing the issue of having many Zimbabweans occupying beds and can't accommodate beds to South Africans to give birth. She wrote, "Respectfully, doctor, the issue is not statistics and the pressure under which health system finds itself. It is whether or not it is appropriate for a doctor to make a case to a patient. What is the patient supposed to do? And she is an MEC with access to president and minister." Someone also said, "She has a medical aid, that's why she's tweeting this." Redo replied and said, "Yes, I have medical aid, but that's not the reason South Africa's health care system is in tatters. It is in tatters mainly because the comrades are eating, and instead of calling each other out, they'd rather ostracize whistleblowers and confront patients on their hospital beds." Well, it did not end there, guys. The EFF also issued a statement reprimanding the MEC. The statement reads as follows: "The economic freedom fighters, EFF in Limpopo, condemns the conduct of the Limpopo Health MEC Dr. Phophi Ramathuba at Bela Bela Hospital with the contempt it deserves. Her entire ill-informed and inhuman performance and address to sick patients awaiting surgery is inconsistent with all universal standards of patient confidentiality and dignity. The MEC open rejection of patients awaiting surgery on the basis that they are African from other African countries is only informed by nothing else but Afrophobia, a hatred of other African people. Today it is Zimbabweans, tomorrow it will be poor unemployed South Africans who will be told they don't have any contribution to the economy or the taxes, thus to the country's budget, but they want to be operated in public hospitals. Why even address people in their dying bed about budgets and political limitations of healthcare? Why reject their applications for surgical operations by addressing them as a group in front of cameras or other people? Where is patient confidentiality and dignity? The basic fact that they are human means their rights to dignity are inalienable. It does not matter what the limitations of budget is. No one, not even illegal migrants, deserve such humiliation treatment." Well, the statement went on and described the video of Dr. Phophi, but didn't the same EFF President Julius Malema, who fired one of their workers on media briefing yesterday, where was the dignity at that time, dismissing someone on the media? Do you think Dr. Phophi was right, but she could have delivered the message better, or she was totally wrong? Do you also think that the EFF only choose their fights? I don't remember seeing a statement of girls that were gang raped in Krugersdorp. Do you also think that EFF and Redo should have taken their frustrations to Mnangagwa, the president of Zimbabwe? Share your views on this one. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe for more news.